Are you ready to elevate your Chevy Silverado experience? Look no further. In this video, we unveil the ultimate bed cover that combines style, durability, and unrivaled functionality. Imagine a sleek, aerodynamic design that not only enhances the look of your truck, but also protects your valuable cargo from the elements. Whether you're an adventurer craving off-road excitement or a daily driver seeking practicality, this bed cover is engineered to meet your needs. Join us as we explore the top features, including easy installation, locking security, and weather-resistant materials. Don't miss your chance to transform your Chevy Silverado into the truck of your dreams. Hit that play button and discover the perfect bed cover today. Number 7. WEEye's Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the perfect choice for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5 feet 10 inches, 70-inch bed, specifically designed to fit like a glove. This tonneau cover blends style and functionality effortlessly. Constructed with double-layer PVC and a corrosion-resistant black powder-coated aluminum frame, it guarantees both durability and security, keeping your cargo protected from the elements. The unique roll-up design allows for easy access to your gear, while the heavy-duty hook and loop side closure keeps your items secure and noise-free. Plus, installation is a breeze, no drilling required. The comprehensive instructions and mounting hardware make setup simple, even for those with basic DIY skills. With a customer-centric warranty and responsive support from WEEye's, you can have peace of mind knowing you've backed a trusted brand. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish bed cover for your Chevy Silverado, the WEEye's Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is your go-to option. Number 6. Autosaver 88 presents the Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The perfect fit for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado/GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed. This cover boasts a precise fit, ensuring compatibility with the new body style while expertly shielding your cargo from the elements. Featuring a unique clamp design, the rear clamp includes a new release bolt that prevents springing and offers strong sealing during drives. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required. Just follow the included instructions and enjoy effortless cargo access by folding the cover back. Made from reinforced UV and cold-resistant PVC materials, the Autosaver 88 tonneau cover protects your belongings from rain, snow, and harsh weather conditions. Plus, its smooth appearance not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also improves gas mileage by leveraging aerodynamics and reducing wind resistance. Upgrade your Silverado with this durable, stylish bed cover, designed to provide all-around protection and convenience for truck owners. Number 5. Penson presents the ultimate solution for your Chevy Silverado with the 3-fold hard truck bed tonneau cover designed for 2019 to 2024 models. This meticulously crafted cover not only ensures a perfect fit for your 5.8-foot truck bed, but also enhances your vehicle's aerodynamics, improving fuel efficiency while expertly protecting your cargo from the elements. Security is paramount, and this tonneau cover delivers with its durable aluminum honeycomb panels and weather-tight seals, safeguarding your belongings against rain, snow, and theft. The integrated LED lights offer added convenience for nighttime access, making loading and unloading effortless in low-light conditions. Installation is quick and tool-free, thanks to the user-friendly clamping system that secures the cover in minutes. Plus, Penson stands by its product with exceptional customer support and a strong warranty, ensuring your satisfaction and peace of mind. Upgrade your Chevy Silverado with a hassle-free and reliable bed cover that prioritizes quality and performance. Number 4. OEDRO Trifold Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover is an excellent choice. This remarkable truck bed cover is designed to fit seamlessly with 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 new body style, specifically for the fleet-side 5.8-foot bed, not compatible with Carbon Pro bed. Crafted from double-layer PVC, it offers heavy-duty durability with superior UV protection, ensuring it withstands the elements beautifully. The installation is a breeze, no extra tools or drilling required. Simply follow the step-by-step manual, and you'll have it securely in place in no time. Plus, the easy-to-use tailgate lock transforms your truck bed into a secure trunk, safeguarding your belongings from snow and dust. Not only does this tonneau cover enhance your truck's appearance, but its aerodynamic design also improves gas mileage, saving you money at the pump. Upgrade your Chevy Silverado today with the OED Row Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover and enjoy a perfect blend of style, security, and convenience. Number 3. Rough Country Hard Low Profile Truck Bed Cover is the perfect addition for your Chevy Silverado 1500 or GMC Sierra 1500, 2019, 2024 with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. This trifold tonneau cover not only enhances the sleek appearance of your truck with its flush-fit design and textured black powder coat finish, but it also prioritizes security by seamlessly integrating with the truck's tailgate lock mechanism. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum panels, it promises lasting reliability, ensuring your cargo remains protected in all weather conditions. The easy-to-use trifold design allows quick access to your gear, with nylon straps keeping the cover secure while driving. Installation is hassle-free with all necessary tools included, requiring no drilling. Plus, Rough Country stands by their product with a limited 5-year replacement warranty, providing you peace of mind. Elevate your truck's functionality and style with this reliable bed cover, while enjoying the trusted support of Rough Country's customer service. Number 2. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate accessory for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, especially with a 5 feet 10 inches, 70-inch bed. This cover boasts a sleek design, patented dual-coated heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl that ensures long-lasting durability, and aircraft-grade aluminum frames for robust support. The stainless steel clamps make installation a breeze, requiring no drilling. Not only does it provide superior protection for your cargo, but it also folds conveniently, allowing full bed access when needed. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars add an extra layer of strength while maintaining a stylish look. While it's not compatible with certain model variations, its quality construction and limited lifetime warranty make it a solid investment for any truck owner looking for a reliable bed cover. Transform your Chevy Silverado into a securely covered storage space with Tiger Auto's T3 tonneau cover, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your gear is protected from the elements. Number 1. Sadaloo's Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an exceptional accessory for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, fitting perfectly on the 5 feet 8 inches bed from 2014 to 2025. This stylish and durable cover is crafted from high-quality aluminum, ensuring it can support up to 600 pounds while safeguarding your cargo against rain, snow, dirt, and sun exposure. With its innovative password lock system, you can rest easy knowing your valuables are secure, enhancing your peace of mind during transport. Installation is a breeze, requiring no damage to your vehicle. Thanks to built-in mounting rails and waterproof channels, the sleek matte dual-layer black finish not only provides a clean look, but also adds to your truck's overall appeal. Backed by reliable after-sales service, the Sadaloo's cover combines style, security, and functionality into one remarkable product. Elevate your truck's look and protect your belongings with this high-quality truck bed cover, perfect for any Chevy Silverado owner looking to enhance their vehicle's functionality. In conclusion, upgrading your Chevy Silverado with a bed cover not only enhances its appearance, but also provides added protection and functionality. Whether you choose a hard or soft cover, you'll enjoy the benefits of improved fuel efficiency and security for your cargo. We hope this guide helped you make an informed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful content. See you in the next video.